Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescued channel, but I thought you'd like a little update on the EIEIO around here. It's the first day the white baby goats are out on the pasture. And everybody came over to introduce themselves to them. I wish we had that on film. It was really cute. At night they go in kennels. They're really big. But today they're out for the first time. They can't stay out too long or they'll scour. And if you don't know, that means diarrhea in animals. Look at this little buck's a little older and he wants to play, but the white mamas are like, no, I don't think so. You're too rough. Ranny, come here. Ranny, look how big my puppy is grown. She was 5 months old on the 10th of May. So Darren and I have been doing some fence improvements. This is a 100-year-old farm. Well, older than that, but the house has been here in 27, it will be 100 years old. So what we're doing is working on fence lines. Now these fence lines have been here at least 40 years, and we should walk down and show them the old mattress part of it.
Okay.
I love that. I don't want to take that down. So Darren's putting in new posts and he sets them 3 foot. Look at the hill, what a difference that made over there. And I'll show you the hole in a minute. He'll tighten this fence here. Years of cows behind it. They had cows long ago they had cows here. I guess what, 50 years ago or so they had cows, and two owners before us had sheep. So what animals do is they they scratch on this fence, which stretches it. So Darren will repair that and we'll show you that after it's up. This is for the mama goats and babies, and if you see this white gate on the old barn, there's a big stall on the other side of that. And we have 4 of our older goats, well, older baby goats, staying in that now. So Hercules digs down 3 foot for our fence post. And we used to put concrete in them, but we found that the concrete will take the post sideways as it cures, because it doesn't cure just right. But look, we hit water. Isn't that funny? We all know that Darren did that digging. And then he picks up, how much do you think these posts weigh?
I don't know, 50 pounds maybe.
Oh, I'll bet they're more than that. They're at least 50 pounds. He just picks them up and sets them in there, and then I hold it where it goes and he puts the dirt back. So that's our project for this morning. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I know, doll channel, but EIEIO. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And we always have cat helpers. No matter what we do, we have cat helpers. So these are the things you do for your animals, or we do. You know, we say we have a farm. The truth is we have a bunch of pets.
We have a hobby. Another hobby.
Another hobby, yeah. Along with riding our bikes and dolls and, oh God, the list goes on and on. So what's Darren doing?
I'm looking here on the edge of the compost pile. It's got a lot of dry stuff. It's hard to overturn right now, but there should be worms in here for her chickens.
And they love when I get them. Oh, there's a big grub. They want that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. So Darren was asking, is our house...
Yeah, I thought it was in 2020, built in 1926. Marna thinks 1927. So what?
1 year difference. The place is 100 years. The house is 100 years old, and we love it. There's more grubs. Thanks for watching. Nobody likes me. Dinner is served.